I'm doing this video on my skincare routine. Yes, my skincare routine. Now I'm going to show you step by step what I use, what I do, and how I achieve my skin looking the way it does. Now, I'll be honest, a few months ago my skin looked terrible. I was pregnant with my daughter. My skin did not look good. I tried everything. I just kept trying things, and finally I found what works for me. And maybe it can work for you too. So watch this video and maybe you'll find something that helps with your skin to clear it up. What works for me may not work for you, but maybe I can help somebody out there. You never know. So let's get started.
The first step in my process is to wet my washcloth with warm water and wipe my face off. Step 2 is to use Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. I put a dab in my hand, and then I proceed to cleanse and rub it all over my face. You can do it for 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. Step 2, now as you see, I'm rubbing all this product off of my face right now. I guess this is step 2.1. I'm taking my Dickinson's Witch Hazel, grabbing my cotton balls, and I'm proceeding to get a cotton ball out of the bag. Taking me a while because I'm a slowpoke. Now that I have my cotton ball, I'm going to take the Dickinson's Witch Hazel and I'm going to place it on the cotton ball. Apparently I didn't have enough, so I'm adding a little bit more. Now I'm going to rub it all over my face. This is a great toner and I love it. Step 3, my on-the-spot Neutrogena acne treatment. Now, the tube is really small on this product, so you might want to purchase more than one box. Just a suggestion, so you don't have to keep going back to the store. Now I squeeze a little bit of the cream onto my finger. As you can see, now I'm rubbing all over my face. It's definitely a good spot treatment for anyone who has a lot of breakouts. You will see definitely some changes in your face within a day. Step 4, I'm reaching for my Olay Complete Moisturizer, Sensitive Skin. They also sell normal skin. That's in the pink box. Proceeding to put a dab on hands. And now rub it all over my face. It's always good to use a good moisturizer for your skin. The product sometimes tend to dry your skin out. This product is really good because it has SP13. It helps with sunscreen in the sun. So excellent product. Always use moisturizer. It's always good to help not dry your skin out. As you can see, step 5, the final step in this process, is eye brightener roller. I got that from CVS, $9.99. Put up your eyes. It's good for brightening your eyes. If you have bags in your eyes, dark marks, it definitely is going to help brighten them up a little bit. They also sell this at Target for $9.99 as well. Just a different brand. As you can see, I'm rubbing and I'm rubbing, making sure the product is in.
And that's my skincare routine. Thanks for watching.